Setting up a step ladder. A step ladder is a self-supporting type of portable ladder that has flat, broad steps, and two pairs of legs that are connected by a hinge at the top. It has a metal spreader or a locking arm which allows it to open at the bottom and become freestanding. Step ladders can only be used on firm level surfaces and are not adjustable. They can be made out of metal, wood, or reinforced fiberglass. The following is a set of guidelines for setting up a step ladder. Check the load rating marked on the step ladder. Step ladders are usually meant for one person only. Open the step ladder spreaders fully and lock the braces. Check the ladder for stability and ensure that all feet are on level, firm and non-slippery surface. Check the functionality of the metal spreader or locking device that holds the front and back sections of the step ladder in an open position. Avoid pushing or pulling the ladder sideways, as a repeated sideways movement may make the ladder wobbly. This is because step ladders are weak and not very stable in this direction. Do not overreach, walk or shift the step ladder when standing on it. Move the ladder whenever needed, and keep it close to the work area. Do not climb, sit or stand on the top shelf. And do not use a step ladder that is leaning against a wall.